Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Stella. Welcome, Stella. Welcome. All right, guys. I'm going to share my screen. All right. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. All right. The Dow, guys, was down today. S&P was down. Nasdaq. So across the board, all the indexes were down, but still, hasn't changed anything. So we are still solid in the markup phase. All right. So Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell. Well, Dow, S&P, Nasdaq all have buy signals. All right. So buy signal here, here, and here, still holding. We can expect. Hopefully, we get some buying this week, guys. We could get a buy signal somewhere up in this area here on the Russell, but we'll take the buy signal on the other indexes. All right. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty. Welcome. Um, oh, by the way, Stella, we need to do your upgrade. So if you've got time, just send me a message. We could take care of your upgrade after the class if you've got time, Stella. So I know we've been trying to get together. All right. So hey, Weebly, welcome, Weebly. Welcome, welcome. All right. All right, guys. Let's take a quick look at the big picture. Just want to make sure everything is still in order. All right. Okay. Perfect, Stella. So when we're done, we'll get on any desk and do that. It should be quick. Shouldn't take long. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Thanks. All right. The Dow, guys. Look here, breaking resistance here. Weekly time frame. All right. Weekly time frame. All right, breaking resistance here. Here's the all-time highs. All right, we break through these all-time highs. Guess what? We could see this market move much, much higher. All right, so purple support and resistance. Purple resistance right here. That's the all-time high. Here we are on the Dow breaking through there. Nasdaq, right at resistance right here. We can expect buyers to continue to move higher. Now, the all-time high for the Nasdaq is higher. It's all the way up here. Okay. Um, S&P, right here is resistance here, near-term resistance, getting ready to break, and all-time high is right here. So market is extremely bullish. Okay. Russell, good news on Russell, right? Save the support, right? Held support here, white candles, right? The next goal for the Russell is to get back up to resistance here. All-time high, a long way from the all-time high, but the goal for the Russell is to at least get back to resistance here. Dollar continues to move lower. All right, so we're looking at support here. Red candles are coming in on the dollar, and then pound yen, right, which drives the yen pairs, right, broke through resistance here last week. Nice break of resistance current week here. So equity markets looking good, setting up nicely. So we're definitely having a Christmas rally. Not a big rally, but definitely buyers are coming in, buy signals, pushing the price up. All right. So stocks, we'll go over equities this evening. All right. I think the last time we went over equities, guys, was Wednesday. All right. I believe Wednesday. So we need to catch up on equities, and we'll focus on technology sector this evening. Okay. So let's go through current positions. Current positions. Long in Monster Scarborough. So let's start with that market. And I believe we added some positions last night. Okay. So Aussie dollar, guys, buy signal here. All right. Hope you guys, we send out a success story with Zaire, from Zaire, a success story. We sent that out earlier today. So you guys get a chance, listen to Zaire's success story, okay, which talks about the V shape. If we get a chance and we find any, I'll mention it also. So his V shape. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. So his V shape trades that he's doing. Zaire's been with us for a long time, guys. Several years, been around, and guess what? He's still working at his trading. And I think he might have found a way. We do the same thing, okay? But you guys, a lot of the price only moves in two directions, three, right? Up, down, and sideways. All right, but it's how we all interpret it differently. Hey, Anthony. Hey, Anthony. All right. So the way he's doing it, that's his way. All right. So he's taking the same information. All right. He's calling it the V shape, right? Which traders will call that, right? Call it the V shape. All right. A V shape rally, but when you guys get a chance, really, really just listen to his success story. All right. So Aussie dollar buy signal here, right? Price is moving up nicely. Green candle here. Buyers are in control. Nothing to do there. All right. Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss buy signal here, breaking out. All right. Breaking out right here. Aussie pairs are definitely making a move. Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD buy signal here, moving up nicely. And we have a decent trend line. All right, so if we draw in a trend line here, all right, so it's holding that trend line fairly well. All right, let's do this. Uh, let's do about this there. All right, so and then we can bring that in, but that's fine. We could do this here. All right, right, right here. All right, so Aussie CAD holding well. New Zealand dollar. All right, so New Zealand dollar. We talked about a rotation, guys, in the Aussie and Kiwi pairs. So we definitely have a rotation. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, following the trend line. All right, following that nice trend line going there. All right, nothing to do there. If anyone is in it, just hold on to the trade. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here. I'm moving up nicely. Let's bring in a trend line here also. These trend lines are good to draw in to frame your trade. Okay. All right. I will do it like this one here. Okay. All right. New Zealand yen. All right. New Zealand yen. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. We have broken through resistance. We need to make sure, though, that this trade, we have a high right here. All right. We need buyers to come back in, all right, hold, continue to move the price higher. That's New Zealand yen. Pound yen. This is not good for pound yen, all right? So if anyone is in it, keep an eye on it. Now, if you want to get out here, you can certainly do that. If you're trading under 240, here we have resistance, and that price is rejecting resistance right now, guys, much like it did here. All right. So currently we have a white candle breaking support right here. All right. We could get sellers to come in like this here. And you guys know pound yen moves fast. So, boy, I would pay attention to this. What we would like to see, all right, is the next candle here would open green, continue to move higher, test resistance, and break out. All right, or at least hold for a while. But if you get a red candle here, absolutely close this trade. So the current trade is white, so really keep an eye on this. Okay, buy signal is here it is right here. So if anyone is in pound yen, boy, pay attention to that. If you, especially if you're trading it, watch your time frame, whichever time frame you're trading it on, but just keep an eye on it there. All right, pound SGD, pound SGD. We had, let's see here, resistance right here, support. Support is right here, right? We broke out, buy signal here, holding. It is a high buy signal, right? Far away from resistance here, but still good. Purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it, but nothing to do, right? It's still holding. Let's bring in the trend line. You guys will notice I'm, doing more trend lines. Okay, it kind of helps you navigate the trade. That's pound SGD, and that's the last one there. No shorts. All right. In Monster Scalper, we did miss the dollar short. All right. But no shorts. All right. Forex Dominator. Long positions in Forex Dominator. Take a look at those. Is on the daily time frame here. All right. So Aussie yen, guys, buy signal here, still holding nicely there. Swiss yen. Swiss yen, buy signal here, holding. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen, buy signal here, broke out, still holding nicely there. All right. We can remove this. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen, buy signal here, did break out. Looks much better in Forex Dominator. All right. Holding nicely there. New Zealand yen. Right. A buy signal here. Right. Broke out, holding. SGD JPY. All right. That's your Singapore dollar yen. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. And then the CAD. Aussie CAD. We had several of the CAD pairs making a move, guys. All right. In Forex Dominator. So that's a little different move. All right. It's the CAD, Canadian dollar pairs. All right. So Aussie CAD buy signal is here. Looks really good. Looks good to test resistance here. If anyone is in this trade and your entry was the buy signal here and you held through it, right? You might be able to add if you wanted to, right? Just add more here if you wanted to, but just be careful, add small amounts, okay? All right, so buy signal here. Reaccumulation would be right here on a break of resistance right here. EuroCAD, all right, EuroCAD buy signal here. All right, we have some resistance here. We've gotten to that high. It's still holding the buy signal. All green candles. All right, keep an eye on this. If you get a white candle here, just close the trade. All right, don't wait for sellers to come in like this heavy with a red candle. All right, the goal is here is that it continues to hold, right? Get to resistance and then break out. All right. All right. And this is similar to the V that Zaire mentioned, the V shape. All right. So listen to that video. Okay. If you're trading on a smaller time frame, it might have given you a signal to close the trade. All right. Pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD, same thing. That's your V shape right here. Buy signal here. Here is resistance. Expect price to slow as it gets to resistance. You can use your smaller time frame to see whether it might break resistance or get you out. All right. If you're trading on the daily here, just wait for a white candle, red candle, or sell signal. Okay. That's pound CAD. New Zealand CAD buy signal here, right? Trading up nicely, following that trend line. Look at that price, just following steadily, following that price action all the way up. Right. So no need to change anything here. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon. All right. That's Euro CAD, pound CAD. All right, pound CAD. We'll start looking at this. I like how Zaire is I'm looking at trading and using the V shape. So here's a V shape here. So we'll talk about that more. V shape, if I remember, right? V shape right here. And just know here is resistance here. And that price is getting to resistance, right? So you could see sellers come in. Watch your smaller time frames. Okay. If you're on the daily, right? You can close it on a white candle, red candle, system by your signal, by sell signal by your system. Now, keep an eye on this. We're watching this. The goal with any of this, whenever we get near resistance like this, The goal is to hopefully to break out and really start doing well. Okay. But guess what? If it slows down, right, you see sellers coming in, close that trade. We buy signal was all the way down here. And this is for, by the way, how many pips? What's that? About 200 pips. All right. So not a whole lot, but still a decent trade going there. New Zealand CAD. All right, same thing here, guys. Buy signal here, right? Moving up nicely through that upward trend line. So we just want that to continue. Hug, right? Hug that trend line, continue to move higher. All right, all green candles, nothing to do there. So those are the CAD pairs. So Aussie CAD, Euro CAD, Pound CAD, and New Zealand CAD in Forex Dominator. EURTRY, that trade, I tell you, EURTRY. Good trade going here, right? Um, um, Boy, it's expensive and it can move slowly, but look at that price action. Good price action. That's the Turkish pair, Euro Turkish pair, right? TRY. Good trade going there. All right, just hold on. All right, no need to exit, and they will last quite a long time. All right, with that one, EURHKD. All right, here is your V right here. So we can expect, all right, we can expect um, price to get all the way back up to resistance. And again, keep an eye on sellers coming in here. All right. And again, a good trick is reduce your time frame so you could see where sellers are coming in. But good move, right? buy signal here, moving up nicely. Okay. All right. Don't be so quick to get out. Really pay attention to how, right? If buyers are holding or if sellers are coming in. A good trick is if that price is stay near resistance, guys, there's a good chance it's going to break out. If it's hugging that support, all right, good chance, right? Like in here, that it's going to break support. So it's holding that price right there. So always pay attention to what your candles are doing. I know they're all green, but pay. All right. Euro dollar. Same thing here. You guys see now. Listen to Zayed's video that the V shape. I'm telling you guys, you'll start to see this, and it will make a lot more sense. Okay. So markdown phase. All right. Buy signal. Resistance is right here. Right. So we're approaching resistance. Right? I signal here. Hopefully, it breaks out of resistance. There's a good chance that these pairs will break out. Okay, the way they are behaving, but we'll see what the price action does. That's euro dollar, and that's good to see that the euro pairs, guys, euro pairs are breaking. They're moving. All right, they're moving. All right, so those are the forex. So monster scalper, forex dominator. Okay. Let's take a quick look at futures. All right. So monster futures. We've got S&P E-mini. That's a new one we added here. All right. Buy signal here. That's holding. The next long, we've got soybeans, right? Soybeans. Buy signal here. That's holding. And then we do have a short in monster futures. So we have a short. I'll take a quick look at that. And then we'll get into equities, guys. We'll get into equities. Okay. Look at that trade. Is that the right trade? Let's see here. All right. So let's see. LH. Yep, that's the right one. So lean hog, guys. This was the sell. Look at this trade is doing really well so far. All right. This is, let's see here. All right. Sell short signal was right here, guys, on the daily. And here it is right here. So good short so far. All right. Going with lean hog in monster futures. Okay. All right. So equities. We're going to spend some time on equities this evening. Okay, we have a lot of them. So stock boss, you guys know these are stocks under $10. All right. Um, the primary sector that we see buying is in technology. Um, so let's go here just to make sure. All right, so here's the tech sector, right? Technology sector, buy signal here. It's still holding. We do have a purpose support and resistance line there. All right, let's take a look at that. Take a quick look at the weekly just to see if we've got resistance above. All right, guys, we are breaking. Look at that. Right, we are breaking resistance here. So we've broken resistance on the weekly. That's good, right? So we'll continue to trade tech. It's breaking resistance, and look here, and it's got a buy signal right here, guys. All right, and it's got a really good buy signal here. Okay, support on this is right here. So we are breaking out of that area right here. Look at that. Nice fresh buy signal. We've been scaling in with technology stocks for about what 2 months now, a little over 2 months, and we just now got a couple of weeks ago, got a buy signal on the weekly. But look here, it's a clean breakout. It's a new breakout on the weekly. So technology could move more. All right. So technology and then communication. Those are the sectors that will do well this time of the year. All right. So communication services. All right. Let's go to the daily. And then we'll take a look at the stocks. Okay, so same thing here. Buy signal here, purpose, support, and resistance. Looks almost identical to technology, right? And then weekly, right here. And we're gonna, if you guys, this on the weekly here, we do have a buy signal. And then here is that V again here. All right, so markdown phase, that's your V right here, right? Zaire talks about. All right, buy signal was here, and we've been adding consumer services, and so we can expect, right? Hopefully, the price to get all the way back up here, all right, and then we might get sellers, right, to come in, all right. So we'll focus on these two sectors this evening. Let's see here. All right. Tech is at what number? 43, guys. So look here. Our trending indicator 43 for tech, which is the highest. All right. Let me do this here. We'll do this. Okay. So the number one, so tech. Okay. Let's go. Communication services 26. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, stock boss. All right, ANGI. All right, buy signal here. All right, holding nicely. Nothing to do there. Okay. All right, and you guys can see the symbols right up here. I'll make it larger. Let's make it larger here. Yeah, okay, that's larger here. Okay, all right. Okay, so AMSC, that's holding, nice buy signal holding there. Okay, all right. ANGI, buy signal, good markdown phase, that's holding. AVPT, all right, buy signal. You guys can see the buy signal right here, moving up nicely there. Okay. All right, BBAI, buy signal, that's holding. Okay, BKKT, look at that move, right? Holding nicely, moving higher. All right, DH, good buy signal, consolidating, holding there. Okay. Guys, any questions? Just put it in the chat for me, please. INDI. All right. If you're trading any of these, and you're concerned about them, let me know. We can analyze them. INDI buy signal, that's holding. INFN buy signal, that's holding. Keep an eye on that one though. It is breaking support, near-term support with a green candle. All right. Um, MGNI buy signal, moving up nicely, guys. All right. If we let's follow Zaire's rule here, we might call that Zaire. So we can expect, hopefully, right, for that trade to get all the way back up here. All right. No guarantees, but um, that's what we hope. MGIN. Mount Zaire, Anthony. You some Mount Zaire. Yeah, yeah. MTTR, that's holding. MVIS. All right. Good buy signal going there. Be patient. Let them run. NVTS, hold in there. All right. PRCH, that's breaking resistance. Look at that, guys. Breaking resistance today. All right. SOUN, that's holding nicely there. If we can get buyers to come in, guys, we could see these stocks really move, right? And even with the down day today, they're holding so far from what we see here. All right. UIS, that's moving up nicely. Look at that price action there, guys. All right. We do have resistance up here, so keep an eye on that. Okay, let's bring in resistance line. Oh yeah, we do have really good resistance here. So, right, we can expect price to slow down. All right, up here. Wish, WISH, white candle there, but consolidating. I would say keep an eye on it. Okay. EGHT, that's holding. HNST, look at that. That one is breaking out, right? Nice markdown phase, breaking out nicely there. Okay. MCW, look at MCW, all right? Nice price action, all right? So far, so good. And NDLS, all right? That's holding fine there. This one is breaking out, holding NMRK, all right? The first several or so with technology, these are communication services here. Okay. QRTEA, that's communication services. All right. Nice buy signal, and that's breaking out. Look at that price action, guys. Breaking out. All right. FATE, we have a white candle, good markdown phase. Just keep an eye on it there. All right. Still trading between support and resistance there. All right, VIR, that's holding. BBD, that nice price action there, guys. Gapped up, holding, moving nicely. Hopefully it doesn't fill that gap. All right, BRCC, all right, that's nice buy signal. Price is moving up nicely there. All right. STKL, all right, good buy signal. All right, good buy signal. Nice markdown phase, trading nicely there. Okay, STKL. All right, let's keep going. Also, GPRO, nice buy signal, holding nicely. All right, SPCE, that's holding. Look at AMBP, guys. Basic material, that's breaking resistance. All right. Good price action on these stocks, guys. Really good price action. All right. We haven't had to change anything so far. BAK, buy signal, holding, nice markdown phase. And this one here, right? All right. So we have resistance. Well, that's fine. Let's see here. Okay. All right. BAK. All right. DNN. All right. Buy signal that moved up. Look at that. Close today at 180, 188. Buy signal. I know it's a high buy signal. All right. But buy signal came in at $1.79. I'm trading up nicely. Look at the previous trade here, guys. Bought here, sold here. Good price action here on DNN. All right, HUYA, that's holding all green candles there. All right, and that's it for stock bar. So really good price action. Even with the down day, guys, they held. Okay, so that's more than we can ask. AI, that's holding. AMD, look at AMD, guys, breaking resistance there. All right, holding. Purpose support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. Though. BRZE, right? Good price action, moving up nicely. Okay. Look at CRDO. Isn't it great, guys? When the markets, we have buy signal on the markets, buy signal on the sectors, and um, just really is good. CRDO, right? Buy signal here, broke resistance, nice price action, guys. Really good price action there. Right, CRDO. All right, CRUS, buy signal, that's holding, moving up. Same thing, DOCN, right? Almost identical. Look at DV, guys. All of these trades are setting up nicely. DV, right? Nice markdown phase. All right. We can anticipate, hopefully, gets back all the way up to where the selling starts, right? Where the selling started, according to Mount Zaire. Anthony, I'm going to tell him you said that. Mount Zaire. All right. So good price action here. Good support. All right. This is where we had support before. All right. So almost identical the last time we got a buy signal. Here it is right here. And this is probably a few years, going back a few years, guys. Okay. All right. IAS. All right. Looking to break resistance. Good price action. Good markdown phase. KTOS. All right. Buy signal was here. Look at this type of price action. So, guys, find your opportunities. We'll go through some. We'll go through some stocks this evening. So find those opportunities. Okay, don't miss this run. Okay, KTOS, MARA. All right, another new one here. Buy signal here. Good markdown phase. All right, this is where the selling started here. So, you know, we hope that it can get back up to that area there. MARA. Okay. All right. MRVL, buy signal here, holding nicely there, guys. Okay. MARA, did we call this one? I think so. All right. MRVL. MSTR, guys. Buy signal here. That's moving up nicely there. Okay. I've got to get going there. Let's see here. We've got to look at the picks. PI, nice. That's trading nicely there. PLAB, holding. PLTR, that's holding. RIOT, right? That's holding. All right. SDGR, nice buy signal, guys. Look at that. All right, setting up. We got the previous markup phase. Here we are, markdown phase, buy signal. Right, we holding, moving up nicely. SDGR. All right, Snap. Look at Snap. All right, SNAP. Boy, we've almost completed the V there. All right, we're gonna put this here. If it gets to that high there, watch it. Watch your smaller time frame. If sellers come in, go ahead and get out. You might get out on the 60-minute, 30-minute, even the 15-minute. All right, good profitable trade. All right, so keep an eye, watch it as it gets up to that area. All right, it's trading at 1268. All right, this high here where it closed was at 1350. Okay, so Snap, very good trade going there with Snap. Okay, all right, STNE. Guess what? Right here is your V, and it has completed the V. Now, you guys remember I said, right? Pay attention to it. If buyers are still holding it, don't give up on it. All right. And you'll see that price action on your smaller time frame. So one like this, right? This one right here, STNE, you would just let it run. Look at that. You're getting higher lows, higher highs. It's pushing up, getting past through resistance here. All right, here is your V. It's completed that V, but guess what? It could still break out of this, out of this area here. So STNE, very good trade here. Good example there. Okay. SWI, good trade going there. S TSEM, right? Good markdown phase. This one is just starting. Right, let it run. VRNS, look at VRNS, guys. Really good price action. Buy signal from our system was right here, all the way up here, gapped up, very strong there. VRNS. VRT, that's holding. All right, VCC, all right, a new buy signal. Let's bring in our high right here. All right, here is your V. Hope that it will uh, close that V there. All right. EYE, right? That's holding. Look at, wow. Look at GPS. All right. We had resistance here. Buy signal, guys, was all the way down here. If you guys remember this trade, right? Buy signal was at 1176. All right, and we were hoping that it would break through, get through resistance here, and look here, gapped up. All right, gapped up, and we had some follow through today. Good trade going here. Closed at 1944. Really, really good trade going here. Really strong. All right, GPS. QRTEP, buy signal trading up nicely there. They're buying these stocks, guys. All right, so good, really good price action. Nothing to change. All right, so we'll look to add this evening. We might go a bit longer, but I will try not to do that. Okay, so let's go right over here to stocks, stock boss. So let's look for some opportunities here. Let's run it, hit seeker. So we've got 79, but again, we'll only look for technology and communication services. So we'll start with technology here. Okay. PRCH, we're in this one already. MVIS, I believe we're in this one. Hold on one second here. All right, so MVIS. Yes, we're in this one. Nothing here. MLGO. No, that's not a very good chart there. All right, MGNI. We're in this one. Nothing here. No buy signal on this one. No buy signal here. SMRT. Let's see here. Whew. Take a look at the weekly. All right, on the weekly, guys, doesn't look bad. Look at the weekly. All right, look at the weekly. You might have something here. Okay, a really good markdown phase, guys. It fell from what, $15, currently trading at $3. So we got a good risk reward. All right, so this is on the weekly now. We won't trade it on the weekly, but we're trying to see if this has potential, right? So here's your consolidation, your accumulation phase on the weekly. All right, it did try to break out before and it failed, but guess what? We have the market and the sector on our side this time. Okay, we have a big green candle right here. It's been making higher. Look at that price action, higher low. So we know it's moving higher. Green candle. Hopefully, it will break out. No, that's on the weekly. Let's go back to the daily here. Okay. So the daily. It doesn't look great on the daily, but when we bring it in like this, we've got consolidation. So we've got consolidation all in here. Okay, we have some in here, so that's a concern. All right, it's getting out, it's moving up right here. All right, this area here is a concern. All right, but the weekly looks great. All right, the market is healthy. We can take a chance on this one, but I would go slowly. Okay, not a lot. Don't put all your capital in this. Okay, so SMRT, and that's technology in Monster Scalper. Okay, so we have one so far. HKD, I believe we're in this one. No, we're not. HKD, that sounds familiar. HKD. All right. I guess not. Okay. Nothing here, guys. Nothing here. This one is setting up WULF, but we just need a buy signal, guys. We just need this to complete. All right. DDD. All right. We do have a buy signal, DDD. I don't believe we're in this one. No, we're not. Let's see. Take a look at the weekly. Nothing here, guys. All right. CLSK, CLSK, CLSK. All right. Nothing here, guys. All right. CLBT, CLBT. Take a look at the weekly. All right. So weekly, guys, we have a buy signal here. All right. Clearly in the markup phase, we do have resistance up here. All right. So keep an eye on that. So that's reaccumulation. It's breaking resistance. We'll add this one here. All right, breaking resistance right here. All right, buy signal. All right, here is your V, but it's breaking out. Okay, so we'll add this one, CLBT, and that's technology stock. All right, guys. In Monster Scalper. Okay, good trade going there. All right. UIS, we're in that one. BKKT, we're in that one already. So that's it for tech. let's take a quick look at communication services. Remember, technology, communication services, guys, right? Christmas rally, it's the holidays. Those are the two sectors, all right? All right. So communication services, that's your phones, right? All of that. And then technology, right? Computers and all right, software. So those are the two sectors. And we have buy signals in those sectors. Okay. All right. So SBH, we do have a buy signal there. That's we're not in it. Let's take a look here. See if we have something. A decent markdown phase, buy signal here. Take a quick look at the weekly. Uh, we'll pass on this one. Sellers are still in control. Let me show you guys here what I'm looking at. Okay. So if you look here, all right, this on the weekly. Yes, we have support here, but sellers are still in control. All right. We have a red candle here for the week. All right. We could see that red candle come down. Sellers continue to move lower. Okay. So it's not quite ready yet. Okay. All right. And that's SBH. All right. That's gone. No buy signal there. All right. JMIA. That's gone, guys. No buy signal yet. That's a good setup. ILPJ. PT, I'm sorry, PT. No buy signal yet, but that one is setting up. Open, right? No buy signal yet. It's setting up. That's gone. Nothing there. GDRX. All right, look at this. All right. So good markdown phase, guys. When we open it up, we can see, right? Good markdown phase, a lot of consolidation, okay? A long consolidation. So let's do this here. Here, so here's resistance, buy signal here, right? Looking to break out. So we'll add this one. All right, GDRX, and that's technology, okay? That's in Monster Scalper. No, not technology, I'm sorry. Communication services. Okay, all right. On the daily time frame. All right, so GDRX. All right, nothing here. All right, that's gone. And we're in this one. All right, so almost done. So we're going to take a look at Bullmaster. All right, what time is it? Let's do this, guys. We'll end. Let's hold on. Because I know we have 88 in Bullmaster. Let's hold on. Let's see here. Services, technology. We'll do our technology, and then we'll be done. Okay, for Bullmaster. Riot, we're in Riot. All right, nothing here. MARA, we're in this one already. No buy signal. That's gone. Snap is gone. We're in Snap. No, let's see here. Snow. Do we have anything here with snow? All right, let's add snow, guys. All right, good markdown phase. You guys look here. It's got to get past. Now it's got some, it's tricky, right? It's got a high here. All right, so right here. All right, so it's got to get past that area there. We do have good support down here, right? Good support down in this area here. It is an early buy. It is an early buy. All right. It's not breaking past this area resistance yet. It's down in here. All right, so we can, take a chance on it, right? Take a small position if you want it. If you're trading with us and trading the system, SNOW, once it breaks through that resistance, you could perhaps add more. Okay, and that is with Bullmaster. So SNOW, and that's tech, and that's Bullmaster. Okay, a bit early, but with the market bullish buy signals on the sectors and indexes, we should be good. That's gone. That's gone there. STNE, we're in this one. That's gone. SYM. This one has gone a little bit, 8 points or so. Let's take a look at the weekly, see what the potential is. Weekly. Let's take a look at the monthly. Want to see if it's making all-time high. Okay, guys. So this is this could make new highs. Okay, so it's trading near the highs. They're really pushing it. Okay, so we'll add this. All right, so buy signal is here. It's clearing this area here. Let me show you guys. So support is down here on the daily, right about here. All right, we have resistance. I would say resistance is tricky on this one. I would say right about here. You have some near-term resistance here, but really here, and it's breaking through that resistance here, so it could go much higher. Okay, and it's not too far for bull master, guys. It's not too far from the resistance. So SYM, and this is one where, if everything works out, you could see all-time highs, and traders will, if they're watching it, 52-week highs, right? They could really push it. All right, so. All right, almost done here. Let's see, nothing there that gapped up. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's gone. Nothing here. That's BRKR, nothing here. And I'll send this out, okay, to our traders. We're in this one. We're in this one. Nothing here. CAMT. CAMT. Look at this one here. All right, CAMT, look at the previous trade, guys. Really good. Buy signal was at 28. Sell signal came at 54. All right, great trade there. It's got a good buy signal here, looking to break out. You've got resistance right here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. See if we have resistance above. Buy signal here on the weekly, all the way down here, guys. Right, here's your V, right? Zaire talked about it, broke through that resistance, trading up nicely. This looks like a good one here. Monthly, look at the monthly, guys. It's making all-time highs. When the market is trading like this, where we got buy signals, guys, we know buyers are definitely in control, right? We could see where these stocks will make all-time highs, new highs, and keep going higher. So we'll add this. Resistance is right here. It's breaking out, right? Good upward trend line. Good one here. So CAMT, and that's tech, and that's Bullmaster. There, Bullmaster. Some of these are more expensive, but our option traders, you guys can, you know what to do. Look for calls. All right, CAMT. And that's the last one there. All right. So we've got a few. We've got a few there. Okay. I want to end with one thing here. I want to take a look at our e-mini traders. So Monster US 30, right? NAS 100. Okay. We've got that daily here. I know we looked at the 240, but we got the daily here. There's a good chance we could get, here's your V again here. There's a good chance, guys, we could get up to this area here. All right, buy signal here, get up to this area. So right now, be careful with shorts. Okay, be careful with shorts. It's been trading really well on the 60-minute. All right, really well on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. So, buy signal here, great trade here, a decent one here. Okay. So just wait for the next buy signal. I would be careful shorting. All right. Buyers are definitely in control. We have a strong buy signal. All right. Strong buy signal here. All right. And you might get some resistance up here and it might also break through. Okay. So just keep that in mind. All right. All right, guys. Hey, take care. Have a great evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Okay. Bye bye.